Today we're out on a bit of an adventure to try and find the last foot crossing on the Brighton mainline before it's gone. You may be asking yourself, why am I here and what relevance does it have to anything? Well, this is a Burgess Hill, it's quite local to me, and what we've just seen is the last foot crossing on the Brighton mainline. I'm a little bit aggrieved that we missed the Gatwick Express that I saw as I was walking down the alleyway. But I'm going to stick around a bit longer and try and get a few more trains in shot, because, I mean, how often do you get a perspective like this, especially in this part of the country? And this one will be gone soon, so... And with that, I think I'm going to go back to the car, put the heating on, maybe get a bit of breakfast and a cup of coffee. So I'll see you around.